Hello dear students. In this video, you can learn writing resonating structures of organic molecules. We know that there are two types of resonance or mesomeric effect. One is electron donating resonance effect and second is electron withdrawing resonance effect. Generally the atoms or groups which donates electron by delocalization they shows the electron donating resonance effect. Examples hydroxyl, amino, alkoxy, thio, etc. The groups or atoms which pulls electron by delocalization they shows electron withdrawing resonance effect. Examples carboxylic, aldehyde, carbonyl, nitrile, nitro, etc. Then rules for writing resonance forms. Each molecule or ion exists in a resonance hybrid form. The resonance hybrid is more stable than any individual resonance form. Resonance forms do not have to contribute equally to resonance hybrid. All resonance forms must bona fide Lewis structure. Only delocalizable electrons move between one resonance form to another. Sigma bonds are never broken or made because of this. Atoms must maintain their same position. All resonance contributors must have same molecular formula and net charge. Resonating structures of phenol. In phenol, hydroxy group shows electron donating resonance effect and we can write resonance structures in this way. First, negative charge goes at ortho position, then it migrates at para position, then it goes at another ortho position, and finally the lone pair retained on oxygen atom, and this is a resonance hybrid of phenol. Resonating structures of aniline. In aniline, primary amino group shows electron donating resonance effect and delocalization takes place likewise this. First negative charge goes at ortho position, then it goes at para position, then negative charge migrates at another ortho position, and finally lone pair retained on nitrogen atom, and this is a resonance hybrid of aniline. Then resonating structures of bromobenzene. The bromine it shows electron donating resonance effect and delocalization of electrons takes place likewise this. First negative charge goes at ortho position, then negative charge migrates at para position, then negative charge goes at another ortho position, and finally lone pair retained on bromine, and this is the resonance hybrid of bromobenzene. Resonating structures of anisole. In anisole, methoxy group shows electron donating resonance effect and delocalization takes place likewise this. First a negative charge goes at ortho position, then it migrated at para position, then negative charge goes at another ortho position, and finally lone pair retained on oxygen atom, and this is a resonance hybrid of anisole. Then resonating structures of N-methyl aniline. Similar to aniline, here also it shows electron donating resonance effect, and we can write structures likewise this. First, a negative charge goes at ortho position, then it is migrated at para position, then negative charge migrates at another ortho position, and finally it should be lone pair retained on nitrogen, and this is a resonance hybrid of N-methyl aniline. Then resonating structures of thiophenol. The thio group, it shows electron donating resonance effect, and we can write resonating structures. First, negative charge goes at ortho position, then negative charge migrated at para position, then negative charge it goes at another ortho position, and finally lone pair is retained by sulfur, and this is the resonance hybrid of thiophenol. Resonating structures of chlorobenzene. Chlorine shows electron donating resonance effect, and we can write resonating structures. Negative charge goes at ortho position, then it is migrated at para position, then negative charge goes at another ortho position, and finally it is retained by chlorine atom. This is a resonance hybrid of chlorobenzene. Then resonating structures of benzaldehyde. The carbonyl group, it shows electron withdrawing resonance effect. Therefore, positive charge generated at ortho position, and oxygen carries a negative charge. Then positive charge, it is migrated at para position, then positive charge goes at another ortho position, and finally we get the fifth structure, and this is the resonance hybrid of benzaldehyde. Then resonating structures of acetophenone. In acetophenone, the carbonyl group, it shows electron withdrawing resonance effect, means the oxygen in second structure, oxygen carries negative charge, while the ortho carbon, it acquires the positive charge, and then this positive charge migrated at para position, then it goes at ortho position, and finally we get next structure, and this is the resonance hybrid of acetophenone. Resonating structures of benzamide. Similarly, here carbonyl group, it shows electron withdrawing resonance structure effect. It withdraws the electron, and oxygen acquires a negative charge, and ortho carbon acquires positive charge, then it goes at para position, then positive charge migrated at another ortho position, and finally we get the structure fifth, and this is a resonance hybrid of benzamide. Resonating structures of orthonitrophenoxide. Phenol dissociates it gives the phenoxide ion, and which shows electron donating inductive effect, while nitro group it shows electron withdrawing in the resonance effect here. First negative charge goes at ortho to this group, then this negative charge migrated at para position, then it goes at another ortho position, and as here nitro group is present, negative charge should be delocalized in nitro group, and finally the negative charge migrates on the oxygen atom. Then resonating structures of para-nitrophenoxide. Para-nitrophenol on dissociation gives para-nitrophenoxide. Here negative charge can be delocalized. First it goes at ortho position, then this negative charge it goes at para position, and as here nitro group is present, it can be delocalized through nitro group, then it can be migrated, that is negative charge goes at another ortho position, and finally this negative charge migrates on oxygen, and we have this resonance hybrid. Then resonating structures of meta-nitrophenoxide. Meta-nitrophenol on dissociation, it gives meta-nitrophenoxide. Now delocalization takes place. First it goes at ortho position, then this negative charge it goes at para, then it can be migrated at another ortho position, and as a nitro group is present at meta position, negative charge is not delocalized in nitro group, and finally we get the fifth structure in which negative charge should be goes on oxygen atom. Then resonating structures of orthonitroaniline. In orthonitroaniline amino group it shows electron donating resonance, while nitro group shows electron withdrawing resonance. When the lone pair on nitrogen, it can be delocalized. Negative charge should be generated at ortho position, then it can be migrated at para position, para to amino, then negative charge goes at ortho position where nitro group is present, and that's why this can be delocalized in nitro group. And finally lone pair retained by NH2 group, and this is a resonance hybrid of orthonitroaniline. Resonating structures of para-nitroaniline. Similarly here NH2 group shows electron donating resonance, lone pair can be delocalized, negative charge goes at ortho position, then it goes at a para position where a nitro group is attached, that's why it can be delocalized in nitro group. In next it migrates at another ortho position, and finally lone pair it is retained by nitrogen of NH2. This is a resonance hybrid of para-nitroaniline. In this video you will learn about how to write resonating structures for electron donating and electron withdrawing groups. Thank you for watching this video.